Sure, take your time.
Okay.
So, I was summoned.
All right. I need some sessions again.
You mean in a professional capacity, not just us talking?
In a professional capacity, cause I think me a relapse.
Hmm. Really? In terms of what?
I gone back in a place that way. Me no know how to talk.
Hmm. Is this with Kareem or is it generally?
Generally, it's now happening with work.
Work? Do you mean the community project? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
But I thought that was on the back burner for now. I didn't know that was still active.
Well, pre-planning agwan, so I'm a part of the pre-planning.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to be a part of the project.
No, you're still part of it, you know. It's just that me and the lady who are running it is just the two away for now.
Oh, okay. Well, do you want these sessions here or do you want it at the office?
Here is good, and I know it'll cost more, but I hope you don't mind.
No, it's really up to you, wherever you're comfortable.
Alright, so where do I start?
Well, at the beginning, the point where you felt like you were relapsing.
Alright, well, I'm an agent for the program, the culture program, when me that talk about, and I get an assignment, well, a task. So I was asked to choreograph a dance for a corporate event. I end up use a dancer that I wasn't supposed to use, and it caused a problem.
So, was this dancer a part of the program or outside of the program?
The dancer wasn't a part of the program, and me go bringing back the dancer, so it caused a